Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be super awesome. You can actually see it on my face, right? Thing is, I just took a brand new TV delivery and this is something exclusive from Sony. It's a very expensive flagship level OLED TV, guys. It's a brand new model recently launched in the Indian market. Sony's all new A80K. The model Sony has sent us is a 65-inch variant, guys, and this is what we'll be unboxing and checking out in this video. So thing is, we already had the Sony A80J, guys, in our living room, and this is also 65-inch OLED TV only, but 2021 model. The one we'll be checking out in this video is 2022 model, guys, successor to this particular model. So I'm like pretty excited to see what's new on that, what improvements Sony has made, and basically all the changes. And apart from that, guys, it's got all features that you would want on a TV. So this is something like next level, guys. Without wasting any more time, let me just bring in that box unbox and show it to you in this video. So our brand new OLED TV from Sony came in this sort of box packaging. It's a massive package, guys, because this is a 65-inch variant, right? Comes in a very simple sort of packaging. You just have the Sony branding, Bravia XR OLED mentioned over here, model is A80K, and this particular TV is available in different sizes. We have the 65-inch variant in the house today. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the unboxing. And there was no way I could do it alone, so called in my dad for help in this video. Anyways, there you go. As soon as you open it, we actually have some accessories at the top. Let me give you a closer look and show you. So in this packet you get some paperwork. Just make sure to read this for all the info, and along with that you also get some wall mounting accessories, AAA batteries for the TV remote, and lastly a mains cord for the TV. And what is this? Looks like some sort of plastic cover to hide the connectivity ports at the backside, maybe for cable management. Looks pretty decent. You even have the Bravia XR logo on it. And there you go, boys. This is the TV remote, an updated design with the 2022 model. Looks very compact and pretty stylish. We'll come back to that at a later part in the video. And these are your TV stands, guys. Very sleek and metallic finish. Look at this. Such a premium and elegant design. I love that brushed aluminum finish on it. And that's it. These are all the accessories we got in the package. Now let's finally unbox and check out our brand new 65-inch OLED TV from Sony, the A80K 2022 model. Oh my god, look at this, massive, right? So what I'll do is I'll just unbox it, set it up in my home and use it for a few days, and then be right back to continue the video. So guys, I'm back to continue the video. It's been almost like 3 weeks I've been using this TV at my home, and now I'll share my complete experience and feedback on this model. We'll talk about both the pros and cons, so make sure to watch this video till the end. And on top of that, I'll also compare it with my last year's Sony A80J OLED TV, and I'll tell you like basically what has changed on this new 2022 model. First of all, let's start with the design and the build quality. Look at this, guys. Sony's A80K is their flagship level OLED TV, is available in 3 different sizes. You get 55 inches, 65 inches and 75 inches. We have the 65-inch variant today in the house and has an absolutely beautiful looking design, guys. Definitely premium for the price point. It's got like nearly bezel-less designs. Bezels are so slim, especially on the top 3 sides. On the bottom you do have a bit of bezel, but comes in like a beautiful metallic sort of brushed finish. And at the center you've got like its far field microphones for like hands-free Google Voice Assistant, and you have a tiny status LED indicator at the center. So usually most of the OLED TVs are like ultra slim compared to your traditional LED LCD TVs, but that was not the case over here. For some reason, compared to the last gen Sony A80J, the A80K is a bit more thicker, guys. It's almost double the thickness compared to the previous gen. Now I'm not sure why the reason for that is, and here's how the back of the TV looks like. Over here also, guys, I felt the build quality of the TV was slightly downgraded compared to the previous gen. So previous gen had like 70% metal, 30% plastic. Now we are seeing almost like 70% plastic, guys. Entire back panel is made of polycarbonate material. Build quality is good, but metal is a bit less, more plastic. That is what I can say. So let me just give you a closer look and show you all the available connectivity ports on this TV. On the left side is where you've got the mains cord port, and to the right is where you've got all the connectivity ports, very easily accessible, and the TV is basically future proof, guys. You've got everything you need over here. You've got 2 USB ports, optical in is available, headphone jack is there, AV in, and 4 HDMI ports are available. 2 are HDMI 2.0 while the remaining 2 are HDMI 2.1, but only one of them supports EARC, which is the HDMI 3 port, followed by an Ethernet LAN port, and lastly an RF cable in. So that was about the design and build quality. Now let's have a closer look at the UI and talk about the built-in apps, features, and also the operating system. So as usual guys, just like the previous gen Sony A80J, even the A80K 2022 model runs on Google TV OS, and this is how the UI looks like. Now you might have already seen plenty of my recent TV videos, right? All of them come with the same Google TV user interface, guys. This is how the home screen on it looks like. In the For You section, it shows you like personalized content or movies, web series, whatever, depending on your interest and your recent search history. And talking about the performance of this TV, top class, guys. The whole UI, navigation, everything feels so smooth over here. I didn't face any sorts of lags or stutters. Now again, it's a very premium TV, so nothing less expected over here. And accordingly, you got like the films category, TV shows category, and this one is your apps category, guys. From here you can download all your favorite apps or maybe any sort of stuff. Like most of the OTT related platform apps are already installed. You've got Disney Plus, Hotstar, YouTube, Netflix, Prime Video, all of these are present. Apart from that, if you're looking for something else, maybe like games, you can download them from over here. And this one is your library section. So let me just quickly head over to the settings and show you how much storage is available, and also let's talk about the software part as well. In the display settings, you can access all your picture related settings, sound settings, and all of that. You've got plenty of customizations and settings available, guys. Lots of different modes available. You can access the picture modes over here, and good thing is the TV also has like an ambient light sensor. That means the brightness on the screen can automatically adjust depending on your ambient lighting. So that is one very useful feature. And apart from that, in the brightness settings, these are your stuff. You can easily adjust your brightness, contrast, gamma level, black level, peak luminance also, and colors also. Lots of things. Live color option is also available. And apart from that, you do have like creator calibration modes available, like Netflix calibration mode, Bravia core engine calibration mode. Lots of these settings are available. So that's it. These are all the picture related settings, and these are your sound settings, guys. Plenty of sound modes to choose from. And since the TV also supports like Dolby Atmos, right, you can even enable that for like cinema like experience. And apart from that, crazy feature is it's got surface audio technology, guys, just like the last gen. We'll come and talk about the sound and audio related stuff at a later part. Now coming to the network settings, the TV does support dual band Wi-Fi, both 2.4G and 5 GHz networks, both are supported. And if you look at the system settings here, you can access the storage related stuff. Now here I was a bit disappointed, guys. Despite being such an expensive TV, you only get around like 4.4 GB of usable space out of the box. So if you install like 2 games or something, right, the storage gets like completely filled. I really wish Sony could have at least gone with like 16 GB. Yeah, it's such an expensive TV. Please guys, take some feedback. And apart from that, guys, if you talk about the software, so out of the box, this TV runs on Android version 10, I believe. Let me just quickly show you. Yep, as you can see, it runs on Android TV OS version 10, and the whole thing is Google TV UI. So that's it. What I'll do is I'll quickly play some videos on YouTube. Just have a look at those demos, and then we'll talk about the display and the sound quality of this TV. Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. First of all, Jai Hind guys, wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. And for this occasion, I have like a very special laptop to unbox and show it to you people in this video. And this one is from Alienware. So as you saw just now, it's Alienware's all-new 2022 edition X15R2 gaming laptop, guys, and let me tell you, it's like a super slim category gaming. Oh my god, you guys saw those video demos, right? What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. And let me tell you, TV's performance is like absolutely ridiculous, guys. That good, I can say. I mean, come on, it's like Sony's flagship level OLED TV, and there's nothing less you can expect. It's a 65-inch 4K UHD OLED TV that supports Dolby Vision, HDR10 plus HLG, and you can expect like lifelike results over here, guys. There is good amount of detail thanks to that 4K 4K resolution. Everything looks like crisp and clear, guys, no matter what sort of content you view on it. Even if you view like lower resolution files like 720p or 1080p also, right, it's got like XR upscaling on board, so everything looks pretty good, and the processor was doing a very good job. And coming to the processor, this TV is also powered by XR cognitive processor only, just like the last year's TV, and does an excellent job, guys, in image processing or even sound processing. And if you talk about the colors, just look at that, guys. Look at the TV's panel over here. It uses a WRGB 10-bit panel and covers almost like 99% DCI-P3 color gamut and up to like 75% of Rec 2020 color gamut, and was producing like rich and vivid colors, guys, strikingly good. That too with like great color accuracy. Even the color volume, guys, you'll be like super happy no matter what sort of content you play on it. Either it be like movies or web series that support like Dolby Vision on OTT platforms, right? You will absolutely have a blast watching them on this TV. And if you talk about the reflections, as you can see, it was handling reflections very well, very minimum reflections, and viewing angles were also excellent, guys. Deep black levels, near to infinite contrast ratio, all thanks to that OLED panel. You'll be like super content over here. But one thing I do have to mention is, compared to last year's Sony A80J, I felt the brightness on this particular model was slightly a bit less, guys. And because see, I already have the Sony A80J in our living room, right? And we've been using it for more than 7 to 8 months. So I immediately felt this a bit of difference, especially, when you're watching some video songs, maybe like, Kartik Aaryan's recent Bhool Bhulaiya 2 title track song. At the start of the video, when the spotlights start flashing, right, on the A80J, those sparkle like diamonds, guys. It's got like a really good peak brightness. But that was not the case over here. I felt almost like 10 to 12% brightness was a bit less over here, and that was like much more visible in HDR videos or HDR sort of content. So this is something you'll have to keep in mind. And not to forget, main highlights of this TV are it's got 120Hz support with HDMI 2.1 as well. So it's got two HDMI 2.1 ports, but one of them only supports EARC, and it's got all your gaming related features, guys. Auto low latency mode is available, VRR variable refresh rate is also there, so it's like a perfect partner for your PS5 or even for PC gaming, guys. You'll absolutely have fun playing games on this TV. Now talking about the sound, just like the last gen, even this particular model has like Surface Audio Plus technology. That means it's got like 3 actuators just behind the screen that vibrate the screen and produce sound. And let me tell you, sound quality was decent, but for some reason, compared to the last gen, I felt the sound performance was a bit less, guys. Audio clarity or the whole volume level also was a bit less compared to the previous gen. It was TK. See, if you haven't used the A80J, right, you wouldn't even notice these sort of differences. Now I regularly use it daily basis, right? So I immediately picked out these small differences, and I'm sharing with you people in this video. But TK, on an average, sound performance was TK. But if you want that home theater sort of feel, I would definitely advise you to go get like a dedicated AV receiver and like a 5.1 setup or 7.1 for Dolby Atmos, and you'll have like cinema like feel at your home, guys. One more new addition to the A80K is Sony has finally introduced Bravia Core in Indian market, guys. So it's like an OTT platform only, but from Sony's side. Main difference is your regular OTT platforms usually stream content with around like 15 to 25 Mbps of variable bitrate. But on Bravia Core, you've got something known as pure stream technology that lets you stream movies or any sort of content with up to 80 Mbps of data rate, guys. That is like almost Blu-ray level quality, and I've been using that service for quite a few days, right, in the last few days, and was actually like quite impressed with the service. Sony has done a good job with this Bravia Core application. The content range is a bit limited though, but it had all the recently popular titles. You've got the whole Spider-Man collection, guys, and good thing is with this particular TV, right, you can claim up to 10 titles and you can redeem them in your account and experience 4K Blu-ray IMAX enhanced quality with up to 80 Mbps in that app, and quality was like pretty good, guys. Amazing, I can say. Wait a second, I haven't shown you this new TV remote, right? So with the A80K 2022 model, you get an updated remote, and this one is such a compact design, guys, compared to the previous gen. They've completely removed that number pad and made it much more smaller, compact and minimalistic. Just the required buttons are there over here and has a brushed metal sort of finish, but the body is actually plastic. You've got all your quick access shortcuts for your OTT platform like Netflix, Prime Video, and microphone is also there on board for Google Assistant. But not to worry, TV also has like far field microphones built in for hands-free experience, guys, and it was working pretty well. Well, that's it, guys. Our video on Sony's all new flagship level OLED TV, the A80K 2022 model. It's an excellent TV, guys. Beautiful design, definitely looks premium. Excellent panel quality. You'll love watching content on this thing. Has almost every feature, guys. 4K 120Hz, Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos. Gaming related features are also there. And it's like an all-in-one package, guys. So pricing of this TV, I'll leave in the description box below. You can check it out there. And that's it. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.